News 46 is brought to you by Bees Embroidery and Garment Printing, specializing in custom and personalized decoration of gifts, garments, and more. Call 775-727-9444. News is also brought to you by J.K. Nelson Law. Call 727-9900 today for your free consultation. If you need a lawyer, you need Nelson.
Tonight on News 46, Desert View Hospital celebrates 10 years.
Valley Electric Association holds their annual meeting.
And time to get your air conditioning units ready for the summer. News 46 starts now.
You're watching KPVM News 46 with Monique Mitchell and Unette Gentry. Local coverage from Deanna O'Donnell. News 46. Local coverage you can count on.
Good evening. It's Wednesday, April 27, 2016. I'm Monique Mitchell.
And I'm Unette Gentry for News 46.
Well, Desert View Hospital is celebrating their 10-year anniversary today. They're holding an open house for the community at their location on Lola Lane. KPVM TV has been honored to have been asked to produce a video depicting the history of Desert View Hospital and an invitation for the community that was put in the newspaper. Here is a sample of the 12-minute video celebrating this occasion.
Desert View Hospital celebrates 10 years of bringing exceptional health care to the Pahrump community. The Wall Street Journal reported between 1990 and the year 2000, Pahrump, Nevada was the second fastest growing micropolitan community in the United States. With unprecedented growth, the need for medical care was on the rise. And with no hospital, local residents in need of hospitalization or critical medical care were forced to drive themselves, use ambulatory transport, or be airlifted to hospitals more than 60 miles away in Las Vegas, Nevada. Pahrump had only a handful of medical resources building up to the year 2000. For example, the Pahrump Medical Center. In 2003, Mark Stoddard was the primary administrator at PMC, and he recognized that there was a significant need for a hospital in the Pahrump Valley. It was critical for Pahrump to have 24-hour access to emergency care. Stoddard worked tirelessly along with a team to gain the approval and licensing needed to open a hospital in the state of Nevada in the county of Nye. It was a 3-year undertaking, but Stoddard received final approval on plans for Desert View Regional Medical Center, and construction began. The process to build a critical access hospital with 25 inpatient beds and 24/7 emergency room care was underway. The 70,000 square foot facility was officially opened on April 27, 2006. In 2007, the complex was renamed Desert View Hospital.
Emergency departments, emergency rooms are typically the front door of a hospital. And so we've changed all those physicians that have been here. We've just increased the level. They're all board certified physicians that are here. They're here 24 hours a day.
In addition to the board-certified emergency room, to ensure patients receive quick and accurate diagnosis, DVH houses a cardiac clinic, surgical services, a multidisciplinary team of specialists and therapists, social services, and a board-certified state-of-the-art radiology department, including a laboratory, available 24/7.
We have a world-class surgeon here now by way of Dr. John Sorensen. So maybe the emergency room, the hospitalist, the world-class surgeon, those are probably some high watermarks.
Former Sheriff Sergeant Michael Horn accepted a felony plea agreement last month for drug charges. Horn received a 19 to 48-month suspended prison sentence and 5 years probation, along with a $5,000 fine. He also can never be a police officer again. District Court Judge Kim Wonker imposed 6 months house arrest and ordered Horn to participate in a veterans court diversion program. Horn was sentenced sentenced on misconduct of a public officer and possession of a controlled substance. Horn was arrested on January 25, 2014, after he was allegedly caught taking medication from an evidence locker at the sheriff's office and from a resident's home he responded to for service.
KPVM TV would like to honor and recognize a longtime Sheriff's Auxiliary volunteer and field training officer, Bob Yaeckel, who passed away today from natural causes. Bob was a volunteer for over 13 years and served our country proudly in the U.S. Air Force. All right, folks, we'll keep it here because we're going to have more local news for you after these messages.